बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers, welcome back to my channel. So viewers, I am sharing with you a most beautiful images and most beautiful craft work. This is milk cartoon DIY craft work ideas for home decor and for home storage. This is best craft work for you guys, and you use your wasted milk boxes, or then you make these type of things. These are the milk cartoon castle, and you use milk cartoon and the juice packets and the milk packets, and you use them and to make these type of craft work very easily at your home, to decorate your rooms or decorate your gardens or decorate your homes. I hope so guys you like this video and you enjoyed this video. This is best craft work and cheap in prices. You make these craft work at home very easily. And this is very amazing and very inspirational and very incredible craft work for you all guys. And I personally enjoyed this craft work because these are based on milk packets or juice packets which we use for our daily routines, and we throw into the dustbin. Then you use these packets for your home decor. If you don't know about how to make these craft work, then you watch tutorials on YouTube how to make these type of craft work at home. Then you make these craft work very easily. I also use milk packets and juice packets for these type of craft work, and I decorate my own home with these type of craft work, and I hope so you also use them for home decor. If you want different other kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about which kind of craft work you want. Then I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. And you guys, if you are new on my channel and if you are new member of our channel family, then you firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more updates. And if you like this video, then you hit the like button and share this video with your friends and with your family members. And you also watch different other kind of craft work videos on my channel, like pulses craft, pebble craft, red sign, make cream ideas, and different other kind of craft work videos on my channel, which I uploaded to my channel. Hope so guys you like this video, and I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I personally enjoyed these type of craft work, and I hope so you also enjoyed these type of craft work. These are very cheap craft work for everyone. Everyone afford these type of craft work. So guys, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel And if you want different kind of videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. And once again, I'm thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And always be positive and always take care of yourself and enjoy your life, because this is your life, not others. And I hope so you understand all these things. So stay tuned guys for the next video. And I'm very thankful to you guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. Take care of yourself and keep watching my videos. Allah Hafiz guys.